Machiegni paw tuke kama riwruok matayo tuke adhula lig maduong' pacho ka FKF biro sidho Gor Mahia ayanga chieng' Jumapil kaka joloch lig maduong' ma season mar higa 2023-25 e alap ma Kenyatta Stadium Machakos. Kogalo nokawo okombe mar lig season ni kodong' tuke 4 ka tukgi mogik chieng' Jumapil biro bedo kindgi klab mar Bidco United. Ma en okombe mar 21 ne klab mar Gor Mahia lig maduong' ka Captain Philemon Otieno gi jatugo madiere Osino Dhiambo kwayo johera mag Kogalo mondo chop kar romgi chieng' Jumapil. Jonathan Makisri ma en kocha mar Kogalo biro gweyo tao tok kawo lig chieng' Jumapil ka oseketo koke orak gi tim maduong' mar Gambia. Kata kamano kwayo jo Kogalo mondo chopi e alap ma Machakos kama klab no ibiro miye okombe.
The moment tumeingia kwa pitch kuna venye celebrations hazitakuwa venye ziko zimeorganiziwa, so naweza achutuma fans to kwa discipline to celebrate trophy yetu. Unajua tumezoea but tuko tu discipline to celebrate trophy yetu, si wote tunafuraha Kogalo family, yeah, tuko tu discipline.
It is our last game, and also it is the game that we will be crowned, will be officially crowned as champions. So I want to urge them to turn up in large numbers, they come and enjoy the game, and after the game they should maintain peace, and also they should, this time round I want to urge them at least to give us ample time at least to celebrate.
We want that color, we want that passion, we want that just energy in the stadium. But also, you know, at the end of the game, you know, these guys, you know, we've got 30 guys there who've worked extremely hard all season, and they want to enjoy it with the fans, but at the same time, you know, being able to enjoy that moment of lifting the trophy on the field and then, you know, sharing it with the fans in the stand.